Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. We're going to continue our upgrades on our BMX park bike. So let's check out what we have today. Alright, so this is our BMX park bike. And she's looking really good. You've seen the last episodes, all the stuff we've done to it. But today, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some pegs. And these are the Shadow Conspiracy pegs. Alright, so these are our pegs. These are the Shadow Conspiracy pegs. And we got 4 of them, so 2 in the front, 2 in the back. And these are pretty cool. They have, see this bolt here? This bolt is so that it doesn't spin when you're grinding. And also, if you wear the side down, you just pull this bolt out and you rotate it and then put the bolt in. And this also is used to stop. You know, it goes where you're right in here. So that bolt goes in here and then it goes right there so it doesn't keep moving. So let's get it put on and you'll get a better idea of the way it works. So it's pretty simple to install these. First we'll take this nut off here and I'll show you how we assemble it. Alright, so the front is all done. It looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and start with the back. Alright, so you can see the bolt there. So if we put it in there, it's going to stop it from spinning. So that's why those are pretty good. So we just took the nut off and then I already kind of started it. And then we just tighten it. But we're going to pull it back a little bit, tighten up that chain. And that's about it for the install. It's pretty easy. Alright. So there they are. I'll put on. And this bike is a lot of fun to ride. And with the pegs, it's going to be even more fun. So yeah, let's check her out in the sun and see how she's looking. Alright, she looks good out in the sun. See the pegs. Back, front. Yeah, let me know what you think. Make sure to subscribe. Alright, that's going to be it for this episode. So make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, comment below what changes we should make, suggestions. And we're going to work on some of our other bikes on the next episode. So stay tuned for that. And we'll catch you on the next one.